everyone, welcome to the session. I'm Chandra and I hope you all are doing great and well. So what do you think in this COVID session? Is this really like easy to get a job or not? Yeah, of course I know that you all are suffering so much and eagerly want to get a job, and basically in COVID as well. And second thing, there are so many reasons to like rejected from any candidature and any interview process, like resume नहीं select होना या फिर poor connection and poor reference, आपको reference नहीं मिल रहा है, poor connections है. So there's so many scenarios where you are lacking. Still you have the capabilities, you have the skills, but आपको वो सही platform नहीं मिल रहा है. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट कि अगर आपके पास स्किल्स है और अगर आपकी डिग्री लाइक बी टेक है, एम टेक या बी एम ए है, या फिर बी टेक एम टेक नहीं है, so what do you think, will you get a job or not? So of course yes, definitely you will get a job. Guys, this session is basically depend upon the Revel by Unacademy. This is only the platform which gives the good placement opportunities and getting job offers to all the comers, all the newcomer job seekers and all who are seeking for the job. There is no matter whether you are from IT and non-IT background, what is your qualifications and what are your degree, like is it BTech, MTech, BMA, doesn't care. If you have the skills and if you are applying for the Revel, so you are in a good platform. Now no need to worry about you are not from the technical background and you are not from the IS graduated like courses, degrees and all. If you are still from normal BSc and MSc graduate and all, still you get the job with the help of Revel. So if I'm talking about Revel, so it is a platform by the Unacademy which provide to all the job seekers and newcomers for getting a job, no matters what is your degree. But if you have the skills, if you are getting good score in Revel, definitely you will get a job. And because of this platform, you will get 50 plus companies and 1000 plus job roles. That will be a amazing opportunity for you all. And this is basically taking the test of 3 different scenarios, like it's front end development, back end development and business development. So they are taking the test of 3 different roles, that is back end, front end and business development. You can go through the link, and if you are using my coupon code, so you will get 10% off from the current charges of the registration, because present registration charges is 1999. If you are using my coupon code, so you will get 10% off. And after clearing the interview, candidate gets supposed to join the company within 30 days, and after that he will or she will get return or refund his money 100% back. With this platform, you will get more than 50 plus companies opportunities and more than 1000 plus job opportunities and role. So I hope this is a very good opportunity for you to grasp the opportunity and get a very good job from the top startups like Upgrade, Urban Pro company and so many like Upgrade and many more. And second thing is that there are job opportunities and job roles. No matter if you want to go for testing, you can go for front end, you can go for back end, you can go for BDE, BDA, you know that कितने सारे roles होते हैं. और specifically according to your skills आपको पता होगा कि which one is good for you. So if you have such kind of skills and talent and you are looking for the relevant job profile, so you can apply here. You know, thing is very easy in the Revel. If you are applying, you just give the test online and you will get the result within 24 hours. You can comfortably sit in your house and give the exam, and within 24 hours you will get the score. So what is the process of Revel registering and all? Guys, here is a link in the description. अगर आप directly इनके link में जा रहे हैं, website visit कर रहे हैं, so first of all you have to register and log in. Then जब आप वहाँ पे लॉग इन करोगे तो यू विल शो सम टेस्ट. ओके, तो आपको क्या करना है, रजिस्टर करना है एंड यू विल गिव अ टेस्ट. There is only one test as per field, having the 5 rounds. After clearing that all the rounds, the candidate will get their scores, and after that your or candidature profile will be created according to their scores and according to the score data. After that, if you have a good percentage and good scores, then company will approach you for the interviews and you can easily get the interviews from the good companies. So this is more all about according to the Revel by Unacademy is that कि आपको सबसे पहले एक टेस्ट क्लियर करना है. क्लियर इन द सेंस कि जितने अच्छे आपके मार्क्स होंगे उतना बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको जॉब का मिलेगा. सो इट्स टोटली अप टू यू, क्योंकि अगर इफ़ यू हैव द स्किल्स, इफ़ यू हैव द राइट स्किल्स एंड टैलेंट एंड इफ़ यू आर सीकिंग ओनली फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी और उस क्राउड से थोड़ा सा अलग निकलना है, तो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर हियर. सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट once you get the job, team will give you the 100% refund to your money back. दैट्स मीन अभी अगर आप रजिस्ट्रेशन करते हैं तो इट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 1999 लाइक अप्रॉक्स 2000. अगर आप मेरे दिए हुए कोर्स से करते हैं तो दे विल प्रोवाइड यू 10% ऑफ, और अगर आप एक बार रेलेवल से जॉब ले लेते हैं तो दे विल रिफंड योर मनी बैक. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि ये ऑप्शन आपको छोड़ना चाहिए इफ़ यू आर ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर अ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, बिकॉज अभी के टाइम पे जॉब मिलना लाइक कि आपको बहुत सारे क्राउड से अलग हट करके फाइट करना पड़ता है. यू नो वॉट, मैंने भी ये फेस किया है कि व्हेन आई वाज इन बैंगलोर एंड आई डिड द BCA, सो आई वाज नॉट फ्रॉम द बीटेक बैकग्राउंड, तो मुझे बहुत सारे इश्यूज हुए थे जॉब के लिए. यू नो दैट वेरी वेल कि आज के टाइम में डिग्री मैटर करती है, बट हेयर आर सम प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक रेलेवल जो आपकी डिग्री के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं, आपके स्किल्स और टैलेंट के अकॉर्डिंग आपको जॉब प्रोफाइल चूज़ करने में हेल्प करता है. आपको बस क्या करना है, टेस्ट देना है. तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू ऑल इफ़ यू आर सीकिंग फॉर अ जॉब इन द अपॉर्चुनिटीज इज वेल. And there is no need to depend upon your degrees and schools and colleges. Like if you have the skills, if you are scored good in the relevant test, so just sit simply and be relaxed. Company will come to you, company will reach out to you and give you the job as per your profile, as per your candidature, as per your profile. So what you have to do, just go and register for the relevant team and give the test and make a good candidature profile by which company will comes to you and give you the opportunity, because this is the most critical time for us to get a job. So if there is any platform you will guys know, so just go and register for that and apply for that job, because you know that getting job is little bit tricky but not impossible. So just go and at least visit this website at least once. I also go through this website and I felt this is a genuine one. That's why I'm here to give you the overview of this relevant by Unacademy, by which help you to get the job and all. And if you have any query, like any issues and any doubts, so you can also post your questions in the comment section, and or you can directly contact with the relevant team. They will definitely get back to you and give the perfect answers of your solution and will resolve your all the issues. So if you have any issue, any query, you can just comment below and you can directly contact to the team. And I also give the link in the description of their official website. I hope this is a good offer for you. So guys, I hope you all are stay and happy. Don't lose any opportunity. If it's possible, just go through at least once. So I hope you all are well. See you in my next vlog.